A family of 5 thrust into chaos moments before what was supposed to be a beautiful family vacation, when the airline that they booked with told them, "You're not on this flight."
I checked my phone just to verify that we do have the correct information. And she's like, yeah, that's what you've got, but that's not where you are. You're not on this flight any longer. You've been bumped to an Air Transat flight.
Traveling for her sister's wedding, shock and panic sets in when the Hamiltons are told the family's new flight to Jamaica is set to take off more than 6 hours later than their originally scheduled departure time.
So at this point, the kids are pretty frantic because we were supposed to be on that flight with my mother, my godfather, my aunts. Like, we were going to have the support because it was the first time we'd ever traveled with 3 young kids.
According to the air passenger protection regulations, denied boarding or bumping happens when a passenger has a valid ticket for a flight, but is not allowed to occupy a seat on the aircraft because the number of passengers who have checked in and are at the gate on time is greater than the number of available seats that can be occupied.
Unfortunately, the Liberal government has been trying to narrow down the notion of denial of boarding to such situations when it is due to overbooking, and it has been causing tremendous disadvantage and harm and injustice to passengers who have paid good money for their tickets, who showed up on time, were following all the rules, yet they were not allowed to fly.
I am not entitled to any compensation for the inconvenience that I had. So I am pissed right off.
Hamilton expected to be reimbursed when she got home from the vacation, but was told over email her family does not qualify for compensation under the APPR because the bump was caused by a safety issue.
The problem ultimately in Canada is that airlines are getting away with not paying. The federal government is making rules, regulations that are difficult to enforce from a judge's perspective. And when the airlines do break those rules, there are no meaningful consequences being imposed.
I cannot and will not accept that. I simply cannot.
Since turning to social media, the airline has issued compensation for the family's meal, transportation, luggage charge, and a $700 per ticket flight credit with the airline. For more information, head on over to airpassengerrights.ca, or you can check out their Facebook page, Air Passenger Rights Canada. Marianne Campbell, City News.